Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few practice sums based on data organization, especially the frequency distribution table. In the mathematics test, the following marks are obtained by 40 students. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. We know in frequency distribution table what we need is 3 columns. First is the category, and in our case the category is marks. Then we have tally marks. And finally, we have the frequency. Let's write the marks. The minimum marks from 1 to 9 marks. And let's do the tally marks. Generally, the category, if it's a numerical one, we always keep it in ascending order. First is 8. So we have done with our tally marks. Let's write the frequency. If you add them, let's see, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 and 10, 15, 15 and 5, 20, 10, 30, 7 and 3, 10, 40. So we have included all the numbers and that's our frequency. We want to know how many students obtained marks 7 or greater than 7. So 7 or greater than 7. So these many students obtained 7 or greater than 7. And their sum is going to be 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So 12 students obtained 7 or greater than 7. And how many less than 4? Less than 4 means 4 is not included. Less than 4. So that is these 3 categories. And if we see 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2 8. 8 students obtained marks less than 4. Now this is the information we are getting just by organizing this data in a tabular form using the tally marks. Let's do the next one. Following is the choice of suites of 30 students of class 6. Let's organize them in the frequency table. First is the category. Category here is going to be suites. Here we are going to have tally marks. And in this column we will have frequency. The suites which we have are Laddu, Barfi, Jalebi, Rasgulla. And we'll start with the tally marks now. We're done with the tally marks and now let's write the frequency. 5 plus 5, 10 and 1, 11. 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 4, 9. Now let's answer this question. Which suite is preferred by most of the students? Now just looking at it, we know the frequency 11, Laddu. That is the maximum preferred suite. So most of the students prefer Laddu. That is our answer. Let's do the next one. Catherine threw a dice 40 times and noted the number appearing each time as shown below. Make a table and enter the data using tally marks. Find the number that appeared, the minimum number of times, the maximum number of times, and find those numbers that appear in an equal number of times. So for a frequency distribution table, let's write here, this is number which appears. Number, tally marks, frequency. The numbers which are appearing are 1 to 6. And let's write the tally marks here. So we have done the tally marks and let's now write the frequency. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 1, 6, 5, 4, 10 and 1, 11, and 5 plus 2, 7. So the first question, the minimum number of times, the number that appears minimum number of times. And which is that number? Minimum number, if you see, it's 4. So this is appearing minimum number of times. So this is answer for answer for A. And which is that number? 4. The number is, it appears 4 times, but the number is 4. So answer is 4. Now let's see B. The maximum number of times. We can see 11 times is the maximum. And which number is appearing 11 times? 5. 5 is appearing 11 times. Find those numbers that appear an equal number of times. So equal. 7, 7. So which means 1 and 6 are appearing equal number of times. 1 and 6. Is there any other? 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 11. No, only 1 and 6 appearing 7 number of times, equal number of times.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.